White Squirrel here. For those who've been following, we previously forged a blade out of a spring. We shaped a handle ready for casting. Now I just finished quenching my blade. Should be hardened. So let's put it all together. Alright, now that I got my two halves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to put it in the casting mold in one piece to make sure I get the details on these ends. If not, I'm not going to be able to put a piece flat down on the back like that and cover both sides and then pull my mold out. So I'm going to have to do it sideways right down to the middle. To do that, I'm going to add a little bit of RTV silicone to glue the pieces together and fill up the gap on the inside of the chamfer. So hopefully I have a nice flat edge, and when I put that in the mold, won't have to do any more finessing or massaging to the final product. I shim the blade up to get it level inside of my mold. Looks like it's nice and centered. So hopefully when I do the top half of the mold, I can place it in the middle of here, hold the blade in place, put the top part on, and we'll be ready to cast. Here, fresh out of the casting box. seams are pretty nice on this side. I don't think there'll be too much cleaning up, but I guess I didn't tamp it down quite enough, or maybe I moved the mold a little bit. I've got some edges to clean up, but the overall shape is there. So let's see what it looks like all cleaned up. Beautiful color right there. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Here's the rough sanding, a little bit finer, and up to the polishing stage. Quite the difference. Shiny. Here it is, the finished product. This was a really fun project. My first time doing lost foam casting, my first time casting and making aluminum bronze, first time making a blade fire in the forge in years, first time trying to polish metal. That was a fun experience. All in all, I think it's safe to say this is my first, but it won't be the last.